Hi, we'll do not a quick video, but we'll see. Because right now it looks a little nasty up there, and you'll probably hear a little thunder rolling in the background. Excuse me. Smoker's cough. This is my little campfire area. And the one place I haven't touched yet, and I'll get a chance to do during the week, is in the center part to reload the stones, rearrange the stones, and get all the weeds out and spray a little whatever in the middle just to stop the weeds from growing. But I'll probably I think I'll throw out half the stones and just have one layer because I don't need the two layers, and just leave it at that. And what I did was, this was just as green as that over there with weeds though. That is mild compared to what it was over there. It took me the better part of 2 hours just to clean this little section out. I just had to fight a mosquito off. But what I'm doing here is cleaning all the stuff out, and what I do is I sift that dirt, the dirt and the mulch, through my little containers on the side over there. I have trays with holes in them, so I sift the dirt, put all the dirt and mulch that was in there before, and just remove the little stones and a bunch of those little green things that just annoy the hell out of me when they grow up. And I got a fly that's annoying the hell out of me right now. Well, I'll get one of his family in the house and he'll pay a price for that one. Well, anyway, this is what it looks like. And what I did was, I'm having a fight with a possum at the moment. Every time I dig up something, he comes in and tears it apart. And what I did was, now I learned my lesson. I don't sprinkle mulch, my no-float mulch on. I have to wait a little while, and this way, once he gets through digging his holes, because I did this one about last week, and the little darling, after I was covered with mulch, and I had to re-rake it and do it, but he couldn't see the mulch because he dug up holes all over the place. So there he is, and there's my little basil plants I got from my grandson, Henry. Thank you, Henry. Bye-bye. There we go, and let's just take a look at that, and I'll show you what the little darling did. My yesterday project, and the grass is looking good. The only trouble is I don't have a catcher in the grass, so the grass seeds just keep on going, and for some reason, after years down here, the amount of weeds that are growing in the grass. Let me show you. I just sprayed this with weed killer yesterday, and apparently it's doing a fine job. Thank you. There we go. See, it's nice. It's starting to get a brown tint to it. But here's my little darling friend. When he goes to visit me, I have yet to see him. I see him outside. I heard the term that the rabbit when they're out in the daytime, but apparently that's not snow because this guy's having a party. The earlier one that I saw of a raccoon was out earlier. He looked nasty, but this guy has a nice coat of fur. He looks like he's living in the right neighborhood, and he's just out enjoying a good life. But the little darling is ripping my landscaping apart. So I'm going to concentrate on this because it's the largest area of weeds. I can pull them out in clumps, and then what I do is I rake out most of the weeds. You can see a few little weeds still in there. That's probably cobble. That's him that might have been under the dirt. There's some of my cactus. There's another cactus, and there's a bougainvillea. I believe this is a reddish, not a reddish one. This is this could be red right now. The other one is maroon. All right, and there's a white and pink one back there. Well, anyway, this is what the little darling did to the thing. So when I'm going to learn my lesson, I'll just let Mother Nature take its course over there, and I'll come and clean a little more of this out tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you the looking. And there he is. He's in the bottom of the tree. For some reason, there's something down there that they smell that drives him crazy, and he just goes and digs. And apparently, I'm the only one that's really into gardening over here, so that's what he does to me. So looking at this, there's my old spice tree, and this one I have no idea what it is, but we'll find out because we're starting to get some fruit on it. You can see they're in there somewhere. I saw them earlier. I hope they didn't fall off, but if not, we shall overcome. And there's my coffee bean. So we're still with progress here, so a little slow. There's my next big project. There's Lola in there watching me. I let her out, but she runs. Well, anyway, here we are back at the original section. Now it looks nice and neat. Like I say, I sprayed it with weed killer, and now I'll just sit back and after that rake it out, move the barbecue a little bit to the right about a foot, put one layer of stones and just dump the rest because I don't need that many as long as I have a circle where I can put the fire and have a little campfire when the kiddies come over. that makes it enjoyable. So that's it. Marty signing off. Thank you for the time. Please like the video. If you see anything, we're going to try it now. YouTube is really getting fancy. If I had a fancy camera, I'd be in just creep without a paddle. Apparently, I can load many videos at a time. So everybody and his brother's advancing their system. I just got to get used to working with the system. All right, so like I said, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Please make some comments. I'm learning where those are, so now I had that, and I just learned something about Messenger the other day. The only thing I don't like working with Messenger is half of the time that you do something on there, you get a virus attached to it. So that's why send me an email. I look at the emails faster than I look at the other stuff. Thank you very much. Take care. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.